Knowing how to respond to Instagram comments let your business be successful on the Instagram platform. Making your customers feel valued is the key to building a successful business. Crafting engaging replies on Instagram can be an effective way to build a connection with your followers. The common problem that many businesses and influencers face is getting a large number of DM and comments at once. Also, it is very important to know how to reply to your Instagram comments in the right way. Hello everyone, this is Farika from ASL BPO, and today I will give you some tips how to reply to Instagram comments in the right way. 5 types of Instagram comment. Understanding the types of comments helps you better navigate with the needs of your audience and communicate effectively. There are a total of 5 types of Instagram comments. Once you learn the type of comments, it will be easier for you to reply in the correct order. 5 types of Instagram comments are positive Instagram comment, neutral Instagram comment, Instagram inquiry comment, negative Instagram comment, and Instagram crisis comment. Why Instagram comments matter to your brand's reputation. How you communicate with your customers through every channel says a lot about your brand. Instagram comments are always public. When a visitor visits your Instagram business page, they get an impression of your customer services excellence by looking at the comment responses. When users leave comments on your post, it indicates that they are effectively engaging with your brand. It will increase brand awareness among the public and increase brand loyalty. Hiring an Instagram virtual assistant balances the interaction between you and your Instagram followers. You need Instagram virtual assistant. The professional trained virtual assistant manage and schedule your Instagram posts, responses, comments, and grow your community and provide 24/7 customer service. Tips to replying Instagram comments. You have to follow some simple tips to learn how to reply to your Instagram comments, such as personalize your reply. Taking the time to draft personalized replies shows that you are willing to take the effort to get to know each person and really understand who they are. Acknowledging a user's feeling helps them feel valued. Take your time and think about how they might be feeling when expressing their thoughts. Take time and address the issue. Read the comments before responding and address the issue correctly. When you rush to make a response without thoughtful consideration, it can lead to insufficient information, confusion, and conflict. Maintain a positive tone. Reply to comments in a positive way with a positive and helpful attitude. Some of the personalized responses to positive Instagram comments. Thank you so much for your kind words. It's mean a lot. You just made my day. Thank you for taking time to leave such positive comments. Your support and encouragement means a lot to my business. Thank you. I am so glad that you enjoyed my post. I really appreciate your kind words. Your support is our biggest motivation. Your comment just made my day a little bit brighter. Thank you so much for your kindness. Some of the personalized responses to negative Instagram comments. I am so sorry to hear that. Can you tell me more about what didn't you like so that I can improve in the future? I understand that everyone has different opinions. I appreciate you taking the time to share your opinion. I am sorry that my post didn't resonate with you. I will keep your feedback in my mind for the future content. Thank you for your feedback. I appreciate it. Is there anything specific you would like to see more on my page? That wasn't my intention. Can you tell me more about what bothered you? I hope this video has helped you to know how to respond to your Instagram comments in the correct order. Are you still struggling to respond to the bulk of comments and inquiries in your Instagram account? We understand how time-consuming it is to maintain all the social channels of a business, but our virtual assistant services help you manage your social channels better. Don't forget to contact ASL BPO and unlock your 7-day free trial. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Wait, I'm not finished yet. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye-bye for now!